So here we have the Room Diffuser from doTERRA, and I went ahead and I took off the seal of the diffuser to make it a little bit easier to slide the lid on and off. Go ahead and empty out your diffuser in the sink and take some distilled vinegar and pour a little bit into the bottom. Take some distilled water and fill it to the rest of the line. Now run your diffuser. Once your diffuser is done, take it to the sink and dump out the liquids. Take a paper towel and get it wet and clean out the inside of your diffuser. Pop out the middle part and take your cloth and wipe all around the inside of that little hole.